Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Steve here. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit that button now, smash the like button to help this channel out. Today, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go 2 single transmitter system. I bought this product to hopefully make better videos with better audio quality. So we're going to take a look inside this box, but before that, a couple of things about this product. So this product itself comes with one transmitter as well as one receiver. It has an older version which comes with two transmitters and one receiver. I opted for the single transmitter, just given the price. It comes with the transmitter that has approximately 7 hours of battery life, and it's an omnidirectional mic, and it has something called a safety channel feature. So the safety channel feature is a feature that allows you to record two streams of audio, identical audio, one at your standard audio quality, and the second one set to approximately 20 decibels lower. This is to prevent what's called clipping. If you have sudden loud noises, it may cause your original audio to be distorted or clip at the upper ranges of the audio system. So you have a safety net that's recorded slightly lower volume, so hopefully you can catch the full dynamic range. Okay, so a little bit about this product more in depth right here. The Rode Wireless Go 2 single transmitter contains one transmitter and one receiver. On the transmitter side, there is a 3.5mm TRS output which helps you connect to a lavalier. It can contain 7 hours of uncompressed audio, and it has a range of approximately 200 meters using line of sight. It has a total battery life of 7 hours and is USB rechargeable. On the receiver side, it is also dual channel, and it contains 3.5mm TRS output, which helps you connect to a camera, as well as a USB-C output to help you connect to a mobile phone. The product was released in February of 2021 and has a MSRP of $256 Canadian. So let's get into the unboxing for this product. First of all, the box is pretty small. It's about the size of my palm, and on the front it obviously says Rode Wireless Go 2. It has the picture of the receiver, which has a little screen in the front, as well as the transmitter. On the side of the box tells you what it's compatible with. So it has a 3.5mm jack to connect the receiver onto, for instance, your cameras, and it has a USB-C output so you can connect it to a mobile phone, which is my intended purpose. It uses a digital 2.4 gigahertz transmission to offer that 200-meter line of sight transmission. On the other side, again, it just basically has for USB-C devices, so iPhones as well as Android phones. And on the back, it tells you what's actually in the box. So it has the one transmitter, one receiver. It comes with two fur windshields, two USB-C cables. I presume those are for charging. And it also comes with one SC5 3.5mm TRS cable, or basically an audio jack. So this is the cable that allows you to connect this product to your cameras. If you own an iPhone or an Android phone, you would need to get another cable called the SC15. And this one is specifically a Lightning adapter to USB-C. If you're using USB-C to USB-C, for instance, on an Android phone or newer iPhones, then you would need to get another version. I believe that's SC16. Also, it comes with a carrying case. Okay, so let's get into the box. First of all, if you shake it, nothing's broken. I think there's actually a dry pack in there. The box is actually sealed very, very tightly. There's no kind of opening tab that you can rip open. And I wish they did that because this is kind of an expensive product. And I wish that they would make it a little bit more premium in terms of the packaging. So I have my trusty scissors here. I'm not very confident that it will actually not tear the box. So let's try to open this up. I'm gonna open up carefully. So the scissors are not gonna cut it. You just gotta rip it open. Whoops. So like I mentioned, this box is actually really hard to open. There we go. So kind of butchered the box a bit, but here's that dry pack that was making that rattling sound. Inside the box, we have a couple of things. So let's take a look. Pull up this. So in this little package here, oh, this is actually the mic. So there we go. So we have two fur windshields. I'm gonna put that right here. And we have the two wireless systems. So this is the receiver. The receiver is the one with the screen. And right here is the transmitter. So they're really small actually. They're about the size of your, like maybe a floss pack or something like that. So I'm gonna put this away. And in the box, you have a carrying case. It is neoprene, I believe, and it's branded with the Rode symbol or Rode logo. And in the box, there's one more item. So it comes with your quick start guide, which I think probably be good to read it because these products might be a little bit complicated to set up in the beginning. So it comes with the audio guide, and then it comes with a bunch of cables. So let's take a look at these cables. This one here is a USB-C to USB-A. So you can charge that on your computer. And this is the same thing. So this is also a USB-C to USB-A. I'm not really sure why they give you two. Oh, it's because you can charge both of them. Yes, so you can charge each of them at the same time. And then this is the SC5 cable, which is a super short cable. But basically this will connect into the receiver, I believe. So right here, there's the audio jack, and that will go into your camera. So of course, modern cell phones, they don't have this jack, and you would need to get one of the other cables that provide USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to Lightning. Let's take a quick look at the actual product. So the product here is the receiver I'm holding. On the top, there's the button, which is a power button. And on the back, if you were wondering, there's actually a built-in clip. So you can clip this onto something like your phone or on your shirt. But this usually is the receiver, so usually goes closer to your recording device. The second part, which is the transmitter, has the power button as well. And then there's the mic at the bottom, and it has the USB-C port right here. So that one, you would probably clip it, I guess, like this, like that. So that's all that's in the box. I'm gonna charge it up and hopefully do maybe a quick demonstration of the audio sound and see if there's any improvements. Hey guys, so this is a test of the sound system without the Rode system connected to me. This is what you normally hear before I connected the wireless go-to system. So this is a test. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, so this is a sound test for the Rode wireless go-to system. I'm currently using the mic. I have the mic attached to my shirt, and this is what it sounds like. I use the SC15 cable, which connects the Lightning port to the iPhone, and then it connects that one to the Rode receiver. So this is what it sounds like. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for some perspective views of this product, and stay safe, and I'll see you next time.